Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now the second method that we are going to use to disable the language switcher on the login page is by using another free plugin, which is the disable login language selector. Now before we dive into the installation part, you can see right over here is the language switcher. Now after the installation, this language switcher will be gone. You will not see it on this login page right over here. Okay, so for the installation of this plugin, let me just log into my WordPress dashboard and then I'll take you through the process. Now to install this plugin, what you need to do here is that you need to go to plugins, then click add new, and then search for disable login language selector right over here. Now this is the plugin that we are going to use. This is another free plugin. Now to install it, what you are going to do is you are going to click install, and click activate, and that's it. That's what you need to do, and the login language switcher has been disabled on the page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out, and the language switcher no longer exists on the login page. And that's it. You have successfully basically disabled this feature in WordPress on your site. Now if this method has worked for you, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Also, the link to this plugin and our socials are in the description box below. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. It helps out a lot. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.